This is the Siemens IQ700 dishwasher, designed with intelligent technology and precise control to deliver exceptional dishwashing performance. And for complete confidence, it also comes with a 5-year warranty. With its A-rated energy efficiency, it delivers powerful cleaning results while helping reduce energy consumption in your home. And when it comes to drying, this is where Siemens technology really stands out. The dishwasher uses Zeolith minerals, which absorb moisture during the washing phase and converts it into warm air during the drying phase. The result is hygienically clean, thoroughly dry dishes, even items that are usually difficult to dry, like plastics. Now let's take a look at glassZone. 6 dedicated nozzles deliver a continuous but gentle water flow, carefully cleaning delicate glassware. And soft anti-slip elements help hold glasses securely in place. So even your most valuable glasses can be washed with confidence. The interior is designed for flexibility too. With the Flex Comfort Pro basket system, you can adjust the racks to create space for larger plates, pots or pans. And the Vario drawer provides a dedicated 3rd level for cutlery and utensils to maximise usable space in the main baskets. The TFT display keeps you fully in control with clear program information and real-time updates, all easily visible from the front of the dishwasher. And with the Siemens Home Appliance App, you can monitor and control your dishwasher remotely, download additional programs, and enable the intelligent program to adapt and optimize cycles based on your personal feedback. So when you bring together intelligent control, advanced drying technology, specialized glass care, and flexible loading, the Siemens IQ700 dishwasher delivers powerful performance with precision and efficiency.